gosh. Gee, what do you have me out here doing?
We're going to like have an experience.
Of what? Of what? Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Aggie. If you're returning, what's up? If you're new, hello and welcome. This channel brings you my two passions, which are all things wellness, all things dance, sprinkled with a little bit of life. Today is, what is it today? Sorry? What day is it today? Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. And I am currently in Bristol with G. She's here on holiday and I brought her to Bristol just to have a bit of fun. She doesn't have her wig on, so you'll see her in a second. And today we're going on a flight experience. Like, what is it called? An aeroplane experience? Aircraft. So her friend is a pilot, and so we are gonna go on the aircraft today. Like today, that's what I'm doing on my casual Tuesday. And so I thought, why not vlog this experience? I'm sure it's gonna be fun. So that is what we're doing. We are tired, T for tired, but she leaves on Wednesday. So no, yeah, Wednesday's tomorrow. So we are pushing through, and I wanted to have a great time, and obviously I want her to experience a lot of good things. So I'm gonna be, it was her idea, by the way, so it wasn't my idea to go on the plane. She wanted company and I said yeah. So if you've been following me on Instagram, you know that we've had a good time since Saturday. That's when I first met up with her. She was in Manchester, Birmingham, and then she came to London. Then I thought, let me bring her to Bristol, little, and now here we are. So I'm gonna try and get what I can of the experience, and come along with me.
A few moments later.
Okay, so a lot has happened in the last hour or so. Do you want to say hi? This is G. Hi. This is the person who I was saying earlier. So we missed our coach because Agnes took us to a different station. But anyway, we got to another coach, and now we're on our way to London. Now we're back en route. Let's do this. So we are in London. Did you nap, by the way? Did you nap? I napped again the entire way, and I think I'm in sleep debt. I just need to sleep a lot. But anyway, we're here. We are headed now. We've got another hour journey to Epping, which is where the flight airplane thing is. So I gotta go. Sun's up. Every time I get to you, you're like you have said we are traveling. We're carrying so much stuff. Gee, what do you have me out here doing?
We're going to like have an experience.
Of what? Of what? I'm low-key like, what am I about to do? I haven't even processed this. She just asked me the other day, like, oh, are you free Tuesday? So I haven't really processed I'm going in the air. I'm not scared of flying, but this is a small plane. That's my thoughts. Let's go? Yes. I'm doing a little vlog. Yeah, go on. Feel free. How do you feel, Mrs.?
I'm so excited.
Are you? Yeah, no, I'm alright actually. Yeah.
Right, now get us started here so we can.
Ouch! Oops. Say hi, Sabina. Hi. Yes, we are ready. much, Sabina. It's Sabina, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, it is.
Are you on Instagram?
Sorry?
Are you on Instagram?
I am, yes.
Best pilot ever.
Yes, also known as that.
What's your
It's
username?
sad.
Oh my gosh, how was that?
It was really nice.
That was really. Oh, we're sorry. We apologize. That was so good. Oh my gosh. So we're on our way back, and I just wanted to sign out. Hope you can hear me. You haven't even spoken this whole time. She's quite shy. She told me she doesn't want to speak. Am I right? See, I'm speaking for her. But anyway, this is G. Thank you for that experience. That was really fun. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.